Fireworks. There's another one. No, is that a civilian or... I'm gonna burn your face off, man! Please, try. No! My quirk? You poor thing. I'll kill you! The hell was that? Hey, are you alright? Working on it. Can you walk? A little. She'll come back. I can't be much of a help now. Put me next to Pony, that girl over there, so I can copy your quirk. Okay. So, you can copy quirks? Yeah. Don't you ever copy mine, you'll regret it. Couldn't you copy that villain's quirk? It was too hard. I had to have my distance so I don't get myself burned or exploded. I think there's another one. Hey, prepare to die! Sora-sensei said not to use his quirk too much, so I'll just make 2 more. Now I'm serious. Stops. Rush! It was a distraction! Hey, watch out! It's your turn! I hate you, heroes! I envy you! Sometimes I envy you too. Ouch! We told you not to use your quirk. I'm sorry. Die! Boom, boom! It hurts. It hurts. Kagome, are you okay? I'm fine, Masaru. Worry about yourself. Kagome, come back already! Can't do. You'll catch a cold. No. Sorry. Don't stop me, please. I can do more, like you. I can. Just watch me. I'll develop my quirk. I'll be able to use it from the distance. I'll get stronger. My quirk won't damage me much anymore. I have to train. Let me be. I want to be a hero, like you became one. Please. I too am capable for more. You have a death wish or something? You damn brat! I'll kill you! I'm done here.